What is going on, guys? RNG back at you with another video. Today we have one box of 2017-18 Prizm basketball, first off the line. Got Rainey here with me.
What's up, guys and gals?
If you've seen any videos before, same setup. We had 12 cards per pack, 12 packs per box. We're looking for 2 autographs per box, but we're really looking for the colored Prizms and stuff. Just all the colors. That's what this product's all about. And yeah, the deal with the first off the line, we're guaranteed 2 red shimmer Prizms numbered to only 8. So, product's been pretty good to us so far. Rainey, you ready?
I'm ready. No whammies.
No whammies on this, man. Let's pull some fire out of here, man.
That treating is pretty good.
Yeah, I'm gonna mix up the packs just to mess around. Just spice it up a little bit.
Like Bob Ross.
Yeah,
trees.
just happy trees everywhere. No mistakes, no mistakes. Just happy accidents, right? All right, here we go, guys. Prizm first off the line, man. It's been hot, man. All right, I'm gonna start off with a Wesley Awundu rookie card. DeMar DeRozan, Gorgie Jane, Draymond Green, Bradley Beal, Matthew Dellavedova, Ed Davis, got a Fundamentals Alonzo Mourning, got a Get Hyped, I know, Carmelo, cool card,
Yeah.
crap player. My God.
Oh my goodness.
This guy's not even a coach anymore.
Why? Why?
Number to 199 blue, David Fizdale.
Why?
But at least we got Alonzo right behind it. Alonzo base rookie. And Laurie McKinnon rookie base. Both 2 really good rookies there at the back. Let's see, we got a Scal Labissiere, Jonathan Simmons, Serge Ibaka, Gary Harris, DeMarcus Cousins, Stan Van Gundy, Tomas Satoransky. Ooh, cool. Malik Monk Emergent.
Ooh. I don't know if that's so
And Hyper. I think you hit the hyper of that, so
Oh, okay. Cool.
I think it's been a while. Got a hyper of Michael Malone. Fundamentals of Nikola Vucevic hyper. Nikola Mirotic and Chandler Parsons. We got Terrence Ross, Rick Carlisle, Kelly Olynyk, rookie card of Jason Tatum,
There you go.
Markieff Morris, Trevor Booker, a rookie card of Donovan Mitchell. Nice pack. John Stockton, Fundamentals. We got a silver Prizm of Austin Rivers. Got a ruby wave of Kent Bazemore, Victor Oladipo, and Lance Thomas. All right, we got a Jonathan Isaac, a rookie card, another good rookie. This guy, Kings coach. I know. I would rather have the coaches as the base cards than the damn parallels. Angelica, Reggie Jackson. Looks like we got an orange coming up, man. John Wall, Sterling Brown rookie card, PC. Maurice Harkless. Oh, we got a Frank. This guy, rookie auto. Tilakina, I think is how you pronounce that. Got a Chris Dunn silver. Got a Kyle Lowry orange, and that is numbered to 49. Pretty cool.
Nice.
Michael Carter Williams, former rookie of the year Giannis was drafted, believe it or not. Troy Williams. Patrick McCaw. And Dario Saric. Got a Josh Jackson rookie card. Another nice rookie.
Yeah.
Zizik, or however you pronounce that. Mike Muscala. Wilson Chandler. Quinn Snyder. Emergent, Lonzo Ball. Pretty cool.
Nice. Yes, first one.
Oh, we got a hyper John Collins rookie card. A blue of Doc Rivers.
Gosh, that was like one of the last.
Yeah, I know. Danilo Gallinari and Courtney Lee. Yeah, that's not who I want to be hitting parallels of. Is Doc Rivers. Yeah. James Johnson. Sime Ojale rookie card. We got a red shimmer. Dude, it looks... No, we don't have two red shimmers in here, surely. Is that possible?
Anything spots.
Kelly Oubre, Kevin Love. We got a Tony Bradley rookie card. Ish Smith. And a Justin Jackson red shimmer rookie card. That is sick, dude.
Well, somebody like that card.
That is sick. Yeah, that's a Carolina guy. And then Devin Booker. We got a silver prism of Russell Westbrook. We got a ruby wave of Terry Stotts.
Oh, my God.
Exactly what I wanted. Frank Tilikina and Dwight Howard. That was a nice red shimmer.
Yeah. They always find a way to...
But the coaches...
Yeah, they always find a way to get you something.
Those damn coaches. Harrison Barnes, Terry Rozier, Bismack Biyombo, Kyle Lowry, Tristan Thompson, D'Angelo Russell, Stanley Johnson. Got a fundamentals of Kyle Lowry, silver prism of Bobby Portis, ruby wave of Kyrie Irving, Paul George, and Corey Joseph. So what do we need? We're still missing, what, one auto and one red shimmer, I think?
I don't know count.
Yeah, I think. We got a Carl White rookie card. Evan Fournier. Jonas Valanciunas. There's some... Got our other red shimmer in here. I think other red shimmer and auto, maybe.
So what was that?
Rondé Hollis Jefferson. Rodney Hood. Marcin Gortat, and Markieff Morris red shimmer. Number to 8, and then Dwight Powell auto.
Both could have been better.
A silver prism of Julius Randle. Got a ruby wave of Jameer Nelson, CP3, and Willie Hernan Gomez. Oh, coach on the back, coach on the front, Tom Thibodeau.
Good Lord.
David West, Jaleel Okafor, TJ Warren, LeBron James, Jusuf Nurkic, the Tyler Dorsey rookie card, the fundamentals of Rudy Gobert, got a Get Hyped of Carmelo, got a blue of Ben McLemore, that is numbered to 199. Got a rookie card of Malik Monk and Luke Walton. All right, got Tyus Jones, Jordan Bell rookie card. It's a nice one. T.J. McConnell, Otto Porter, Jason Kidd, Evan Turner, Marco Bellinelli. Got a fundamentals of Al Horford. Got a silver prism of Ben McLemore, Carmelo, and Nicholas Batum. Got Devin Booker, Buddy Hield, Nikola Vucevic, Jakob Poeltl, Trey Lyles, Drew Holiday, Tobias Harris, Frank Tilikina Emergent insert, Solomon Hill Hyper Prism, Jonathan Isaac Emergent Hyper, Cool.
Fox in here for a second.
The nice Kawhi Leonard and Lou Williams. And last pack.
Treat us good, baby.
I know, right? This Firkin guy. Eric Bledsoe, Brad Stevens, Malcolm Delaney, Paul Millsap, Anthony Davis, John Lure. There you go, De'Aaron Fox, Emergent. Yeah. Jeremy Lin, Hyper. Purple, Blake Griffin, numbered to 75.
I think he's hurt again.
We got a Wayne Selden Jr. and a Steven Adams. Well, that does it for the video, guys. I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and subscribe. As always, we'll be coming at you with more videos very, very soon. So until next time, y'all keep ripping.